We're on page 18. We've already discussed decimals, and now we're going to get into fractions doing the exact same thing. Okay, the exact same thing. So it says number line is not just infinitely long. There's also completely packed with numbers. No matter how close the numbers are, there's always things between it. Okay, for instance, if you just look between 0 and 1, obviously there can be numbers between 1 and 2 or 0 and 1 and so on. Number 1 says an interval is the space and distance between two numbers. The size of the interval between 7 and 9 is 2. There's 2 spots between 7 and 9. The space between. How big is the interval between 12 and 12.5? What is the space between 12 and 12.5? Not a trick question. 0.5. If you split the interval between 1 and 2 into 10 parts, how many new numbers are there to label? So if we put this into 10 parts, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many new numbers would go in there? How many lines are there?
1.1, 1.2, 1.3.
10,
1.3,
4,
1.4,
5, 3.4, 0.04.
Okay. You were on the right track. I don't know why you stopped. 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 1.9. So how many spaces did we add?
so I was right.
9 spaces. Because the last one gets you to 2.
I'm pretty smart when it comes
Question 3. Which numbers on this zoomed in number line are also integers? So which ones of these on the bottom give you a nice integer? Right now they're all written as fractions, but some of them come out pretty nice. See any? Here's your options. Two divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Those 3 are integers. They just didn't reduce it. Question 4. What number goes right here?
2.6 or 2.6,
2 over 6. 3 over 6. 4 over 6.
5 over 6,
What number goes here? It says how many 6 are in 2s? Are in 2. So what divided by 6 is 2?
3,
3 divided by 6 is 2?
12.
12 divided by 6 is 2.
what? 12 divided by
6 is 2. Number 5, pick a magnifying glass and use it in the picture. The magnifying glass shows how many equal parts? 1, 2, 3. All right, so 1, we get to pick how many parts we want to do. You said 4, Landon?
Yeah.
So how can I write 1 with the denominator of 4? So what divided by 4? What divided by 4 is 1?
4,
What divided by 4 is 2?
8,
And what divided by 4 is 3?
12.
All right, so you chose fourths, which is fine. We're going to do 4 equal parts. So you could write them all in there. 1 over 4, 2 over 4, 3 over 4. 4 over 4 is 1. 5 over 4, 6 over 4, 7 over 4. 8 over 4 is done. 9 over 4, 10 over 4, 11 over 4. could have chose whatever number you wanted. For some reason, you guys let Landon pick.
Actually, I think you maybe said 4.
I said 4?
I don't know.
I think you did.
I don't think I ever said 4.
I didn't hear
Did
anyone
you
say
say 4?
Oh.
I said yeah.
Gotcha. All right, next page.
It was 2.
How many thirds are in 1?
3.
Very good. Landon, on a roll here today. Somebody other than Landon.
Yeah.
How many thirds are in 2?
2.
Nope.
6.
Other than Landon.
I don't get it.
It's
6 divided by 3 is 2.
Don't yell at
What's
me.
6 times 3? Not 6 times 2 times 3.
6 divided by 3 is 2. Not Landon. How many thirds are in 5?
I'll give him 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3,
What divided by 3 is 5?
15.
I was gonna say that, but I thought it was wrong because it's such a big number.
How many thirds are in 3? Not Landon.
9.
Yes, Kira.
Woohoo!
Someone other than Kira and Landon.
That's really
All right. Landon, you're going to take A. Maddie, B. Kira, C. And I'll do D.
So what are we supposed to do?
Same thing you have been doing.
You gotta just figure it out.
Landon, got yours?
30,
Maddie, got yours?
12.
Maddie?
Wow.
12 divided by 3 is 4. Kira?
21.
Very good. All right, remember thirds on a number line, right? 1/3, 2/3, 3/3, which is 1. 4/3, 5/3, 6/3, which is 2. 7/3, so on. All right, next one, you're going to fourths. Kira, you get the first one. How many fourths are in 1?
4.
Very good. Lando,
8.
how many fourths are in 2? 8/4. Maddie, how many fourths are in 5?
20.
Good.
I may have just said it.
Kira?
12. This is fun.
I know, right?
Lando, A.
Again?
B. Maddie. C. Kira. And I'll do D.
Why can't I do it? I just figured it out. It's like 40.
Shh.
What? No, mine's
It's the bottom number.
It says force.
Oh.
C is just 1. Wait, no, that's not right. C is
All right, Kira, we're starting with you. Going backwards this time.
6 is like.
Stop talking.
16.
Very good.
24.
40.
Eh. Just kidding.
Said 40.
1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, 5/4, 6/4, 7/4, 8/4, 9/4, so on. Next one. Kira,
Yes.
16.
Do I need to say it?
Yep.
4.
4.
So do I get like 17?
Maddie, 17.
No! Maddie! Fine.
What divided by 2 is 5? Nope. Sorry, what divided by 5 is 2? Because it's fifths. Lando,
What? 18?
yep.
I would say 3. But
3 is wrong.
I know! 12.
How many sixth? 12 is correct. Kira,
Yes.
Good.
Okay.
So whatever it tells you there, it goes on the bottom. So tenths would be 10 on the bottom. 20. Give 5 fractions that are equivalent to 4. I'll do 2, and then you guys give me 2. I'm going to do 10. No. I'm going to do 12 thirds. 12 divided by 3 is 4. And I'm going to do 200 divided by 50. All right, I did
I got
2.
20 divided by 5.
Landon chose 20 divided by 5.
I got.
Nope, no more from you.
24
Just do like 2,000 divided by 500.
6.
Good. Maddie? Two numbers that divide to give you 4.
Just do like.
4 over 2.
Oh, that's cheap.
4 over 1. You could do 8 over 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4.
There's so many options.
Yeah. I mean, we did 6 of them. 1 and 5.
Or just two.
How do you know that you get 4?
They all divide.
Top divided by bottom is
I
4.
should wrote those down, but I just never did.
Top divided by bottom is 4.
With Jada Dawn and Casey Smith, come to the office, please. Jada Dawn and Casey Smith.
All right, 20. What is a fraction? It's a way of counting intervals. We just did that last page. It's also the same as division. 3 over 4 is the same as 3 divided by 4, again, which you just proved on the previous page. Next page, or next problem, 22. Landon, would you read it, please?
In general, it does not matter whether you think about a fraction as a way of counting intervals or as decimals. For some factors, however, you may find one way of thinking more helpful than others.
Okay, so we're going to mark 4 over 3 on a number line. So the bottom number, again, is how far apart they are. So there's 3 spaces in between each one. Each one would be a third. So 1/3, 2/3, 1 would be 3/3. So 4/3 would be right here.
5/3.
That is where 4/3 would go.
7/3.
Yes, but it doesn't want all those. Some people would say, well, 4 divided by 3
12.
is 1 1/3, so it's going to be a little bit more than 1. That's fine too. It doesn't matter which way you look at it. You're going to get the same. So this one, we could divide them up into 4. 4 spots between, which means I would need 3 lines between each one. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, and so on. This time, let's just divide it right away. What's 10 divided by 4? How many times is 4 going to 10?
2.
2.
2 and like 1.
4 into 20.
2 and 1/5.
4 into 20.
5.
Correct. So where would 2.5 go?
Right there.
So that's where that one would go. So it doesn't matter which method you do. So let's do a couple on the bottom here. Bless you. And then I'm going to have you try them. Landon, pick one that you want to do in class.
Let's go with. Oh, they're all too easy. Go to 27.
27. 14 over 4. Okay, so let's take 14 divided by 4. How many times is 4 going to 14?
10.
3.
3 times.
Oh, yeah, 12. You already knew something about
14 into 20?
this. 2.
Nope.
Oh, I know. 14 into 20. 5.
5 times. Perfect. All right, so what line does this represent, you think? What number? Excuse me.
See,
Nope.
No,
2.5.
7.
7.
7.
It's halfway between 0 and 14.
Oh,
So where do you think 3.5 would go then?
Right between
On
the
the left side.
0 and the 7.
Right between. It'd be right in the middle. 14 over 4. Maddie, you pick one that you want us to do. Actually, let's just do the ones on the right side, and then I'll have you do the left ones. What's 20 divided by 4?
5.
That's easy, right? Where's 5 go?
Right between 10 and 0.
$29, again, you could divide it. Or you could divide it into fourths. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4 is 1. 5/4. So again, you can divide or not. Doesn't matter. All right, Maddie, pick one. 24, 26, or 28.
28.
You're picking 28? Kira,
yes.
which one do you want?
26.
Landon, you get 24. When you're done with yours, go ahead and come put it up.
Wait, we have to put it up there?
Yep, and it's being recorded, so everybody will see
No.
it. And YouTube forever.
Luckily, you only have like what?
Actually, all these videos are just here, Landon complaining and getting yelled at.
Nuh-uh, I've been doing something today.
I should give
Or
your
then you
YouTube channel
yell
a
at
shout
Shadow.
out so you have like one 1K subscribers.
Do it. When you're done with yours, go put it up there. Landon, put yours up there.
I'm not done yet. I'm actually kind of struggling right now. It's like that. There's like one-
Done.
So put yours on there.
Okay.
All right, put 3.5 over at 7.
It always happens.
Come on, guys.
I'm done.
Landon, you got the easiest one.
I know, and I'm done.
Kira, 7 over 2 is 3.5. Good spot.
Okay,
Feels
I did like. Well, I think I did good, but like.
Landon, 3 over 2 is.
What I
Go to the right a little
my
further.
God.
3 over 2 is 1.5, so it should be right between those.
Right here.
No, that's not 1.5.
Oh wait, right here.
Yep, but right in the middle.
I thought it was. Oh.
3 over 2 is 1.5.
Nice
Yeah.
handwriting.
Oh yeah,
Kira,
it really
or Maddie, I mean.
was.
I thought it was closer.
It's so small.
7 1/3 is 2 1/3.
Oh,
Could be maybe just a tad bit further left, but I would take that.
yeah.
So we all got ours right.
Well, you didn't.
I did. I had mine right there.
I wasn't in the middle.
It was close enough.
Nope, it wasn't. Good job if you got it correct.
Thank you.
You were like the only one.
All right, page 21.
That's not even remember.
Stuff to make you think. I love stuff that makes you think, but these are pretty easy. Area of the first one, 1, the whole thing is colored in. Find the area of each of these shaded sections. 2 out of 4, which reduces to 1/2, right? What's the area of the next one? How much of it is shaded? 1/4 is correct. Next one.
Oh wait, you just.
Three.
Oh, 3/4.
Very good.
You're welcome.
2 halves make a third one. 3 over 4.
3/4.
Very good.
Oh, too good.
The yeller one.
2/4.
2/4
One
or
half.
1/2.
Yeah, half of it.
1/2.
2/4.
Very good. All right, next one.
Right. I'm all right.
Again, we've done a lot of these. Let's do one of them together and have you try one. Which one do you want to do together? Left or right?
Left.
Okay.
Right.
We do the right one together.
Yeah, I was right.
Okay, I am a multiple of 10. I am a multiple of 10. That means it's going to end in 0. So we can already fill that one in.
Wait, I thought we were right.
My tens, that is right. My tens digit is twice of my hundreds. So this one is going to be 2 times what this one is. It's going to be double. So 1, 2. I guess I could write all the choices. 2, 4, 3, 6, 4, 8, 5 doesn't work. So those are going to be my options. My hundreds digit is odd. So again, I wrote down all the options here. That means it can't be 2 and 4. And it can't be 4 and 8. Because the first digit has to be odd. My hundreds digit is greater than 1. So you only have one option then. It's got to be 3, 6. Very good. All right. Try 31.
Can you name all the perfect squares?
2, 4, and 6, right?
1 times 1, 2 times 2, 3 times 3. I mean, how far do I got to go?
Odd, so name is a 1. You. Oh my God.
I think I got it.
Ooh, I like it. Confident.
I would say that. You never do that.
Well, because ever heard of the boy who cried wolf?
Well, I think I got it.
I refuse to say my answer aloud.
Me too.
All right. It's going to be on YouTube forever. All my digits are odd. Okay, so here's your options. The odd digits. My units digit is a perfect square. Well, there's only
3 gone. Just 9 and 1.
Excuse me.
Bless you.
Thank you.
9.
All right. My units digit is a perfect square, so that means in here
1.
1 or 9.
9.
It says none of my digits are 1, so it has to be 9.
But then
Multiply H and T gives you U. So I multiply these two together to give you 9,
3 and 3.
and they both have to be odd, so you only have one choice.
Yeah, I did it.
All right.
That's the only one.
Last one we're going to do together.
Here, I got it right too, so like back off.
I got it before you.
I got it before you.
35. Landon, I know you love these. Let's talk about them.
These are fun.
This is 16. Each side is
8,
8. Now let's concentrate on the left side. Each side is
4.
4. So now I should be able to figure out what these squares are.
2, 2.
And then I should be able to get the green triangles.
1.
Okay. Right side. Each side is
4. Are we still going at 4?
each side is 4. Let's look at the red circles first.
Negative.
Negative.
That's 3.5.
1/2. Very good.
What? I was thinking
3,
negative.
3, 3. This has to equal 1. They're each 1/2. So now they're going to throw fractions at you. How about the other one?
It's 1/3.
Very good.
I'm so good at
Impressive. All right, let's take a look at your homework. That impressed me, guys. Good job.
I know. I'm proud of myself.
Most of you impressed me.
We did 28 too. That was different too.
All right, on to page 22.
No, like I'm not joking. It's easy 28 or 36.
28.
36.
All right, try it.
36 is
I want to
really
do it too.
36 is actually really hard. So 14.
Do we have to do number 36?
I guess Landon wants to do it. We'll
Yeah.
always do whatever Landon wants.
I know, right? I have a hole in my sock.
Squeak wheel.
Two.
Squeak wheel gets grease.
I think I got it.
Good for you, I guess.
How is that hard?
It's hard, okay?
It's not hard.
Landon, why do you think everything is so hard?
Oh, who you whispering to?
What? I literally do not know.
All right, so let's see.
Two.
I know where to. Okay.
This is 28. That means each one of these is 14. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So those are all 2. All right, if this is 14, this is 12. So that means these both have to be 1. 12 plus 1 plus 1 is 14.
Oh, that makes
Here we got it wrong.
no, I didn't.
All right, so 12 plus 1 and 1 is 14. That looks good. So each star would have to be a half. And each oak leaf would have to be 1/3.
Okay, that's good.
All right, now the homework.
Okay, I kind of like that. I'm gonna struggle on the work, but I like it.
Should be pretty self-explanatory today. The top one there doesn't give you a number, so which one do you want to pick? You can't pick force since we already did that. How many spaces do you want to do?
2.
Fine. Now let's do 3. We'll go in the middle. So what would 1 be out of 3?
1/3.
What over 3 is 1?
Oh. 3 is
What divided by 3 is 1?
3.
What divided by 3 is 2?
4/3.
What divided by 3 is 2?
Oh, 6/3.
What divided by 3 is 3?
9/3.
Yeah, and you're going to complete that. That's going to be just like we did this one, where we did fourths. Bottom of page 18.
You just completed it. That's pretty easy.
No, you got to put all the numbers in there, Landon. Look at what this one looks like. That's what it should look like on yours. The rest is pretty self-explanatory.